This is our red line way indicator and transmitter. We will see its parameters and its connection, that how can we connect a load cell and how its output is. Here you can see its model. Its model is PAXS. Terminal 1 and 2 are for AC supply, 3 and 4 for signal of load cell, 5 and 6 excitation, and here you can see the terminal number 18 and 19 for the milliamps output to the CCR. There are user inputs at 7, 8, 9, 10. If we want to give an input, we can configure, and 16 and 17 for volt output 0 to 10 volt. With the parameter, we can go into the parameters, and with the F1, which is up button, the parameter block 1 is input. It has further parameter range 0.02 U. This is the range, and the decimal point and the round figure after 0.5 it will 1, and the band, this is the style, is configured as key. Input 1 is 2.41. This is the tare weight and the tare millivolt of the load cell. At this it will display 0.00. Input 2 is the load cell output at the maximum load of 155 ton. So this is block 1. It is very important. And the main block, second block is function. If we give any user input, then we will configure it here, but we have not configured anyone because we are not using any input, so we are not using this block. The third block is lock. If we want to lock any parameter, we can lock it from here, but we have not locked it. Fourth is the selection. There is a totalizer. We can configure the totalizer, its display. Fifth parameter is also about the totalizer. We can give the set point to the totalizer, and at that it will give contact when the totalizer reaches to the set point. 7 is serial. This 8 number is very important. Its output is 4 to 20 we have configured, and the low it will give 0, that means at 4, and 155 at 20 milliampere. So these were the main parameter of this red line indicator. We can configure it 0 to 20 milliamps, and we can also configure it 0 to 10 volt. Here with display we can go back to the display, and with the reset button we can reset it 0 or tare. This is the load cell of Shank. You can see RTN 0.05, its model number. It's 100 ton load cell and 2.85 millivolt per volt. Here I have fixed 3 load cell on this bin. This is a bin, you can see it's a coal bin, so we are measuring the weight of coal. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe.